I have always wanted to try Tanghulu. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I have tried to make it before. It was a complete failure. I burnt the sugar. I couldn't get the sugar mixture on the fruit, so take two. I know it's a 2-to-1 ratio, so I'm doing 1 cup of sugar and then half a cup of water. Bring to a boil. It's doing something. I'm doing like medium high heat. Don't stir it, just let it be. It should be 300 degrees. Okay, we made it. It already smells like it's burning, so I don't understand. I think it worked. I'm trying to go quick because I have a lot of grapes and it already smells caramelized. That's a nice way to put it. I should have done 2 at a time. That's a much better idea. Now my pan is covered in sugar. This was my first one. This was my last one. So you can see it keeps cooking and you want this.